What is up, you guys? I am back with another install video on the Genesis. Ah, she's so sexy. I would be inside the shop, but my dad, he's being selfish. Look at him, being selfish, using the shop for himself. So we're gonna do the install out here. I got two parts that came in the mail. I got my fuel pump for the E85, and I got my hella horns. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get that install going. Let's get into it, guys. Let's go ahead and unbox these parts. It is my hella horns and my fuel pump for E85. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I get my parts from Matt Performance. You can check them out. They're cheap. I think I got these for $20-something. And my fuel pump, I think I got it for $169. Oh man, look at that. All right, so first, we're gonna go ahead and install the hella horns because those are pretty easy. Got the hella horns right here. And this is when your toolbox comes in handy. So first, we're gonna go ahead and take out the grill. I don't think we have to take out the bumper. I don't know why I took those screws off. It's time for the grill. Alright, and here are the old horns. We're going to be replacing these two horns right here. So 210s, take these off, we're going to plug it, and then we're going to cut the wire and install the new ones. So yeah. Ooh, this is going to be loud. Oh yeah, I never let you guys hear how it sounds before. So let's do before and after. That's how it sounds now. And then I'll do an after for you guys in just a moment to get this installed. Alright, so I got everything wired up. I'm about to go ahead and put the horns on, and let's see how it sounds. Alright guys, time to see if it works. And guys, just like that, we got hella horns. So, I'm gonna go ahead, put the grill back on, and then we're gonna go ahead and install the fuel pump. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my GoPro so you guys can see the uninstall of the fuel pump. So if you guys have a Genesis, really easy to get to your fuel pump. You just take off these 6 screws, lift off this cap, but let me go ahead and show you guys. Alright, I'm going to take this cap off, and there are 3 plugs. Alright guys, and now after you take off these 3 plugs, there are 8 more screws to pull off to take out your fuel pump. And then after you do that, then we can get to some business. Now we take out this black cap right here, and the fuel pump is ready to come out, guys. Be careful when you're lifting out. You want to damage anything. Guys, look at it. You guys, I don't know what the heck to do from here. I've never installed a fuel pump like this before. So that's why we have YouTube. Ooh. And it's on a Genesis. Alright, so there are 2 clips. One right here, one right here. Oh. 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 I got it, guys. So, stock fuel pump. Upgraded fuel pump. Ooh. Oh man, I am a genius. I would say difficulty for installing this is like a 3 out of 10. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys back on the GoPro, and we're gonna put this back in the car, see what happens. Alright you guys, so I ended up having to take the fuel pump back out because it came with a new filter that I had to put on. So now we're done. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this thing back in here and see what happens. All right, time to test it. I heard the fuel pump. She starts. I'll see you guys in a little bit. What is up, guys? It is currently the next day and I'm excited because my downpipe came in. So we're gonna go ahead, head over to the shop and get this install going. But before we do, I'm gonna give you guys a cold start so you guys can hear the before and after. Hopefully it's louder, but here it is. The Megan Racing downpipe. The ISR was sold out or out of stock, so I had to go ahead and get the Megan Racing downpipe, but I do have the ISR test pipe. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the shop. See you guys soon. If you guys are wondering why I park in the grass, it's because the power steering is leaking still after I replaced the pump. But I figured out what it was. It was the main pressure line. So order that, it's coming in the mail, should be here Monday. Let me go ahead, give you guys this cold start, let me know what you guys think. Alright you guys, I am at the shop. My dad's not here, so we get to work inside. It is messy, so don't say anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car, give it a few revs, and before the downpipe and the test pipe, and then we'll do it after. Hopefully it's louder. Alright, so that was a fail. I don't know what the heck is going on. My car's not starting. I'm thinking it might be from the fuel pump I did yesterday. I'm hoping so, but I'm just gonna go ahead, install the pipe, the test pipe, down pipe, and we'll go from there. So, what kind of video would this be without a little unboxing first, right? Let's go ahead and get it. Hadouken! ISR test pipe, guys. Came with bolts and the flanges, or whatever those are called, gaskets. That is nice. Megan Racing, guys. Very nice, very nice. That is sexy, guys. That is so sexy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car and I'm gonna put you guys on my GoPro and take you guys through the installation. Let's do it. All right, guys, I was gonna put you on the GoPro, but I decided to do it this way. And I'm not gonna wait for the car to warm up because I wanna get this done and over with. That was pretty easy. Wow. Guys, so what ended up happening is that cat was so hard to get off on this side right here because this bolt. So I ended up taking off this whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. We're gonna put this test pipe on, put it back on the car, put this sexy beast on. And yeah.
You done?
No, I need help. All right, you guys, so the install is done. It took a little bit longer than expected because the catalytic converter did not want to come off, but it is done. I'm happy. It sounds great. My dad's gonna go ahead and do some test passes and let you guys see how it sounds. You can hear it so much louder. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day. Sorry, this is a 3-day video. I would have uploaded Thursday, but on my way home I didn't tighten down the downpipe all the way. The bolts came off, so I have a huge exhaust leak and my exhaust is hanging. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a cold start and then go to the shop, put the bolt on, then give you guys some flybys because my dad, he did not do a good job. But here goes a cold start. The reason why my car wasn't starting is because I didn't hook a hose up all the way on the fuel pump, so it wasn't getting all the pressure to it, but now it's good. So I'm gonna head to the shop and let's go. All right, you guys, I finished fixing the downpipe. It's back on. I'm about to go ahead and let you guys hear our sounds. She sounds great. She sounds so good. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on my GoPro and go ahead and do some test drives. You guys, it definitely pulls. Definitely pulls harder. Like, I can definitely feel it. Alright, there you guys have it. Thank you for coming to the video. If you guys like it, go ahead and leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And until then,